Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this drawing and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best starting point would be drawing of this inner circle of 18 dia. Then we would draw this outer circle which is of 40 dia. Then we would copy both these circles to the right center to center distance of 125. Then we'll draw one referential line extending from the midpoint of this circle over here, that is 125 divided by 2, and then extending downward at a distance of 13 units. With the endpoint of the line as a center point, we'll draw this circle of 11 dia and this circle of 15 radius. Now, how do we get this portion? In order to get this portion, we will draw one circle outside somewhere here with a radius of 6 and then move that circle to a point quadrantial to this circle. Afterwards, we'll use the tangent radius command and draw this arc of 116 radius and then mirror both this arc and this circle to the right side. Then this line which we have drawn over here, referential line, we'll move it upward to a distance of 85 units. And with the endpoint of that line as a center point, we'll draw this circle of 36 dia and this circle of 64 dia. Then we'll extend one line from the endpoint of from the tangential to this circle to this particular circle, and same way from here tangential to this. And then we will fillet both that line and this circle at a radius of 21 units on both the sides. Then we'll change the thickness of the line, then we'll put the center marks, then we'll do the dimensioning, and our geometry is complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. I'll pan the image a bit to the left. We'll first begin by drawing this inner circle of 18 dia. So we'll select circle, center diameter. I'll use this as a tracking point and click somewhere over here and give the diameter as 18 and hit enter. Then we'll draw this circle of 40 dia. So again, center diameter, same center point, diameter is 40 units, hit enter. Then we'll copy both these circles, center to center distance of 125. So we type CO for copy, select both these circles, hit enter, click on the midpoint and extend it to the right at a distance of 125 units and hit enter, and then press escape to come out of this command. Then we'll use the line command and draw one line extending from the midpoint of this circle to the right at a distance of 125 divided by 2, and then extending downward at a distance of 13 units, and then we'll hit enter and again enter to come out of the line command. Now we'll draw this circle which is of 11 dia. So we select circle, center diameter, this as the midpoint, and we'll give the diameter as 11 units. And now we'll draw this circle which is of radius 15. So circle, center radius, this is the so circle, center radius, this is the center point and radius is 15 and hit enter. Now we have to draw this portion. So we will use circle, center radius, and anywhere outside we'll draw a circle of radius 6. Now we'll move that circle. So we'll type move select the object to move. Now specify the base point. So you click quadrantial to this and move it to a point which is quadrantial to this circle. Now we'll draw the arc using the circle tangent radius command. So we'll say tangential to this, and radius is 116. Hit enter. Then we'll use the trim command and we'll trim the unwanted part of the circle, and we don't need this part, we don't need this. So whichever are the unwanted parts of the circle, we will get rid of it. Now we'll mirror this part to the right. So we type the mirror command and we select this line and this arc and we hit enter. First point, second point, enter. So we get the object mirrored. Then we use the trim command again to trim this portion, and we use the erase command to remove this referential line. Now we will move this line upward at a distance of 85 units. So we type move, we click on this line. This is the base point, move it upward 85 units, hit enter. Now from the end point of this, we'll draw a circle of 36 dia. So circle, center diameter, this is the center point, diameter is 36. And again a circle of 64 dia. Circle, center diameter, this is the center point and diameter is 64 and hit enter. Finally, we'll draw one line which would be extending tangential to this circle and to the end point of this, and another line tangential to this circle and the end point. Now we'll fillet this and this with a radius of 21. So we type fillet, R for radius, radius is 21. Then we click here and we click here. Same way we type fillet, we click here and we click here. Then we erase this unwanted referential line. Then we select our geometry and change the thickness to 0.30. Then we use the center mark command and put one center mark here, 1 year, 1 year and 1 year. Then we select the 4 center marks and we change the color of the center marks to red. Now our basic line work is complete, so we can proceed with dimensioning. We first choose diametric dimensioning and click over here and it is 64. Then we select radius, we click over here and it is 21. Then we select diametric dimensioning, we click over here and it is 40. Again diametric dimensioning, we click over here and it is 18. Then we select radius dimensioning, click over here, it is 15. Then we select diametric dimensioning, click over here and it is 11. Then we select linear dimensioning and center to center 125. Then we again select radius dimensioning, we click over here, it is 6. And again radius dimensioning, we click over here, it is 116. Just ensure that it is readable. Then go for diametric dimensioning. Click over here and it is 40. Then go for linear dimensioning. Center point of the, okay, see the diametric dimensioning has not come proper. So Control Z for undo. And again, diametric dimensioning. Click over here. Now go for linear dimensioning. From center point of this to center point of this, and it is 13 units. And linear dimensioning, center point of this and center point of this, and up to here it is 85 units. Then go for diametric dimensioning. Click over here and it is 18. And then go for radius dimensioning. Click over here and it is 21. And our geometry is now complete. Over here one diameter is left, 36. So diametric dimensioning for this, and it is 36 units. So with this we complete this geometry. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.